Before you upload your music to RouteNote, you should know that your artwork has to meet some requirements. Your artwork file should be less than 25 megabytes, use the RGB color space, and be saved as a JPEG at the size of 3000 by 3000 pixels. It can't contain web addresses, contact information of any kind, including social media tags, pornographic images, pricing information, copyrighted images, scans of CDs, blurry or pixelated images, barcodes, or anything else that suggests it's a physical copy. If you need more information about what images you can use from the internet, check out our video on copyright. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. We have loads of videos for you to check out and more on the way, so subscribe to stay tuned.